Hello. Miss Camille, hello. Sorry kung tabingi. Yung tripod ko tabingi. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. But hello. Miss Camille, wag ka maniwala kay Abby. Oo nga eh. Thank you guys so much for watching Someone Someday, ha? Thank you so much, guys. I hope you're all enjoying the show. So, kakaibang gagawin natin today. Magdi-DIY tayo. Kasi, manonood ako ng All-Star Games sa Sunday. And I'm there to support my friends, Rain, tsaka si Rans. Kasi mag-volleyball sila. So, I wanted to support them. Kaya sabi ko, pag nanood ako, gusto ko may hawak akong mga signs. So, naisipan kong gumawa. Ewan ko din ba? Hindi na lang ako nagpagawa. Sabi ko kasi mas maganda kapag ako yung gumawa. I mean, mas may love. Mas may love. Ang tanong, hindi naman ako marunong gumawa. Where did I buy my top? From Uniqlo. My whole outfit is from Uniqlo. So as you can see, meron tayong illustration board. Ang nakakainis nga kasi, I realized I don't have a single pencil. Wala akong pencil dito sa bahay. Wala akong sharpener. So I cannot mess this up kasi diretso ballpen na yung gagawin. Or pwede akong mag-friction pen. Right? Right? But I cannot mess this up. I only have 2 illustration boards. God bless. So, maging maganda yung kalabasan. I also have some markers. Hindi ko alam. I just quickly bought stuff sa isang store. I don't know kung sapat na tong materials ko, but I also have metallic paint sticks. I have no idea what these are, but we're gonna try. Lumilindol ba? Hindi po. I'm so sorry. Yung tripod ko, my tripod is being a pain in the butt. Hold on. Let me try. Nakatabingi nga eh. Nakakainis oh. Hi, ma'am. Kamusta ang tennis? Ay, hindi po ako nagte-tennis. I wanna try, though. Nanginginig pa din ba? Ano ba? Ba't ba nanginginig? Hindi naman siya lumilindol. Inis na inis ako sa'yo, Camille. Bakit naman? Naka-veneers ka ba? No, no. Hindi po. Para saan itong gagawin natin? So, again, manonood ako ng All-Star Games sa Sunday. Tapos, maglalaro yung dalawang friends ko, si Rance tsaka si Rain. So, I wanted to support them. Kaya may paandar tayong ganitis. Ang galaw ng cam. Sorry, I don't know what's happening. I think it's the... Yan, magalaw pa din. Parang hindi naman. Nagsishake pa din ba? Hindi ko kasi alam kung malabo na lang yung mata ko or kung nagsishake pa siya, hindi ko na alam. Umaalo. May katabi ka bang fan? Hindi ko naman siya katabi. Malayo naman siya. So, ganun kalakas yung electric fan ko. Galing naman. Hindi ako kasi mag-aircon. Nilalamig ako. Hinaan ko na lang yung fan. Siguro glass din yung table. So, I don't know. Ayan. Ewan ko na lang kung mag-shake pa yan. Ang hina na ng fan. Okay. Kulang nga yung ano ko eh. Tawag doon, yung illustration board ko. Late ko na nalaman na magpa-perform din pala yung BGYO. Gawan ko din sana sila ng sign. Pero, ay, pumiyok pa ng sign. Pero, wala, dalawa lang yung ano ko eh. So, tig-isa si Rance, tsaka si Rain. So, God bless. Oh, wait, I should also get the friction pen. Hold on. Hold on. Ay, walang pambura. Arnor. Alright, let's go. I was supposed to take a nap, but I ended up just using my phone. So I was like, you know what? Let's do this right now, right now. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I don't know where to start. Sana may visitor ka dyan. Bakit? Bakit? Why sana may visitor? Okay, I don't know where to start. Okay. Ang bilis ng comments, di ako makahabol. Sinong kasama mo dyan? Wala, just me. Lumabas yung mother ko eh. Okay, now I need to think about inspiration. Kung anong gusto kong ilagay dito sa boards. So, sana, wala naman dito si Rance tsaka si Rain. So, surprise kasi ito eh. So, hindi naman nila makikita. Feeling ko, uunahin ko yung kay Rance. Kasi meron akong idea sa gusto kong ilagay sa board para kay Rance. For Rance, meron kasi kaming inside joke about Minions. Because I love Minions. And also, I can copy their voice when they sing. Your face sounds familiar, Minion, ang kaya kong gayahin. Let me try kung nabubura to. Hello. Okay, let's see. Aalog kayo guys kasi nagbubura ako, sorry. Okay, nabubura naman siya. Medyo tsaka lang. Medyo madumi, pero okay. So this needs to be perfect. I'm gonna draw Minions. Or should I draw the letters first? Guys, paano ba to? Di ko alam bakit siya nag-shake, guys. Because the fan is so far and ang hina. So, I don't know why. It's shaking. Letters first. I'm not a lefty. I'm a righty. Kada galaw ko, nag-shake kayo. So, it's the table, no? Glass kasi yung table eh. I don't know what to do. Hold on. What if sa sahig na lang ako mag-drawing? Maybe tonight we gonna find a way. I'm gonna try to put you in a basket. Pangit din kasi nung tripod ko eh. Ugh. Ewan ko lang kung may epektong ginawa ko. Tignan natin. Aalog pa din. Tinatong ko na kayo sa ibang lugar. Sorry, I don't know what's happening. Better na ba? Okay, so letters first. So, gusto kong ilagay, kasi 'di ba ang Minions, mahilig sila sa banana. So, parang gusto ko ilagay bananas for number, tas jersey number niya. Tapos, drawingan ko ng Minions. Or, I'm bananas, going bananas, we go bananas, Papoy, yeah! Papoy. I'm shaking again, guys. Can you shake with me na lang? Kasi hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Sample Minion voice, no. Ano yun? That's a secret party trick. not everyone can, experience my minion voice. Sobrang favorite namin ni Rans kasi favorite niya pag ginagawa ko yung minion voice ko. Guys, ang galing. Narinig nyo na yun. Sinori ko na yun eh. And, sorry, bubuhati ko yung bangko ko. Ang galing ko manggaya ng minion na boses. Promise. Like, kung ginawa kong icon yun sa finale ng Your Face, pwede ako manalo. May chance. Okay. So, let's start. Guys, help me. Help me. Bananas for jersey number Eklabu. Parang ito, ganito yung inspo ko nakita ko sa Pinterest. Parang ganyan. Bananas for number Eklabu. Tingin nyo, cute naman yun. What do you think? Going bananas for... Gusto ko sana yung you're doing amazing, sweetie, tapos mukha ni Kris Jenner. But I'm so tamad magpa-print. Lalabas pa ako. So, gusto ko yung ida-drawing ko na lang. So, bananas for tas jersey number ni Rans. What do you think? What do you think? Is that okay? Sagutin niyo ako, guys, please. Anything from you would be nice. Aw, thank you. Well, I also know that they are very appreciative and I'm sure matutuwa at matatawa sila sa kahit ano namang ilagay ko dito. Pero gusto ko lang special. So, siguro yun ang bananas for number 19, Rans Refall. Ano bang group chat namin? Misbehave. Jersey number... Ano ang jersey number ni Rans? Yesterday ba yun? Yeah, yesterday, I tried Hot Bar. It's a kind of workout. I tried it with Rans and Rain. And oh my goodness, we died. But it was so fun. Like, I felt so snatched after. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I think tatayo ako. Okay, angat ko to. Ganda niya today. Ay, salamat. Sana everyday. Tabingin. Nakakairita. Nakakairita tong tripod na to. Sobra. I think need ko ng new tripod. I have a billion tripods and then I hide them. I keep them somewhere else. And then I forget that I have a new tripod and so I buy another tripod. So, I have a lot of new tripods but I don't know where I put them. Sinong derma mo? Belo po. How old are you? Sa floor na lang. You think? Floor na lang tayo, guys. Gusto nyo? Carry naman. Sige, tara. Sa floor tayo. So, sorry kasi hindi ako nag-ayos today. Maybe tonight we ain't gonna find a way. Also, malilobat na rin pala yung phone ko. So, God bless. Should I wear glasses? I think I should. The baddest wishes ain't in LA. Okay, my friction pen, and then my coloring pens, and then my water. Miss Camille, yes. Okay. We're on the floor. And now I need to turn on the fan here. Charot. The color of my nails, I think this is like a burgundy. Maroonish burgundy. You did LASIK before, right? Yeah, but malabo na ulit yung eyes ko. Where's blush? Nandito sa tabi-tabi. Blush! Sa floor tayo. Wait lang. Okay. That's going to hurt your back. I know. But for the love. We must do this for the love of our friends. Okay. Pangit naman ang pwesto ko, guys. Nakakatawa. Okay. So, we're gonna do bananas 4. So, I'm gonna do the lettering first. Very plain, very simple. Just bold Gusto niyo yung ganito ako magda-drawing, guys? What if? Okay. Shucks, nakakatakot. Ang linis nung illustration board. Feeling ko, madudumisan siya. Okay. Fix your top. Ay, salamat po. Sorry po. Thank you so much naman for letting me know. Nakaganto ako ng outfit kasi galing akong binyag kanina. Asa Ninang? Ninang duties. My gosh, bananas. Okay, sulat natin. Bananas. 4 number. Tapos dito na lang yung minion. Okay. Or should I draw the minion first or the letters? Guys, help. I need your support. As a drawer, di ba? Next time as a cabinet, nakaka-irita tong letters first, minions first. Minion letters. Oh my God, you guys are telling me different things. Okay, letters. Madami nagsasabi ng letters. Okay. So, very basic. Bold letters lang gagawin ko. But I'm so scared. Okay, we're gonna start with letter B. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot. First time ko itong gagawin. Pero I just thought it would be cute, diba? Like, I'm gonna watch my friends play volleyball. And I'm just there. I don't know anything about volleyball. Zero. Nada. I don't understand. I just see balls flying. But, even if I don't understand, I want to support my friends. And you know, this is girlhood. So I'm gonna make my sign. I'm gonna try. I'm so scared. Oh my God, guys, ito na, letter B! Sa letrang B! Guys, what if mali yung lettering ko? What if ang taba masyado, tapos hindi magkasya yung... Wala po akong pencil, nakakaiyak, guys. Yun yung problema ko. Yun talaga yung problema ko. Wala akong pencil. Kung may pencil ako, walang problema eh. But I don't have a pencil. I have a friction pen. And the friction pen has a pambura. Walang pencil. Wala. Yung pang eyebrow. Eh, wala din akong pambura noon. Wala akong pencil. Wala pong isa na wala akong pencil. Ang tagal ko na kasi nag-graduate ng college and I realized I haven't used the pencil since. As a matter of fact, ball pen ang ginagamit ko sa school. By pencil, hindi na para lumabas pa tayo. Kasi pag nag-malling ako, wala na. Nag-malling na lang ako. Naubos na yung oras ko. Sa pagbalik ko dito, dinner na, gabi na, tapos manonood na ako TV, tapos matutulog na ako. Friction pen. Or ano na lang, tiwala na lang talaga kay Lord. Friction pen. Okay na to, diba? My top is from Uniqlo. Hi, welcome to Uniqlo. Ganon. Kaya mo yan. Wala naman tayong choice, kakayanin ko. Okay, letter B. Imagine, letter B, letter A, N, A, N, A, S. B, A, N, A, N, A, S. Bananas. Si tanga, nagbibilang, hindi naman nabilang ng maayos. Order pencil. Ako nabibili. Hindi. Kasi kung bibili pa ako, mag-iintay pa ako, gagawin ko na nga ngayon. Hindi. Guys, kaya natin to. God bless. Anong kinain mo? Guys, ang sarap na kinain ko today. Jollibee Spicy Chicken. Nakapag-Jollibee Spicy Chicken ba ang lahat? Spicy-licious! Kasi ang cute kanina, nag-attend ako ng binyaga sa Ninang nga. Tapos, birthday din nung inaanak ko. Tapos yung birthday sa Jollibee, so ang saya, ang sarap, lahat kinain ko. Spicy chicken, spaghetti, fries, sundae, kanin. Sarap. Okay, letter B. Sa letrang B. Nakabahan ako. Nakabahan ako. Kaya natin to, guys. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Start na. Ito na, ito na. So, dapat malaki-laki yung minion. So, dito sana yung minion ko sa gilid. Or madami akong minion i-drawing. Isang katutak na minion. Kung may kasya pa. Okay, letter B. Oh my God, guys. Ito na. Ito na, ito na, ito na. Ah! Oh my God. Ah, ito na nga. Oh my God. Sa letrang Whew. Wala din akong ruler. I have nothing. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why. Wala na, nagkamali na nga. Okay. Ay, nabura. In fairness, nabura. Okay naman. Hindi, guys. Matatapos tayo, promise. Sa 23 na to gagamitin. Hindi ako pwedeng... Kailangan ko itong tapusin kasi bukas manonood ako ng concert ni Ate Angeline. Okay, natapos ko na yung letrang B. Sa letrang... Ay, hindi pala. Sabi ko natapos ko na isang line pala. Okay, letter... B. Woo! That's an ugly B. What an ugly B. Hold on. Letrang B. Asan na yun? May kodigo ko dito eh. Sa letrang B. Andy Abaya. Ang pangit pa na ng letter B ko. Pwede na to. Sige, mapagtsatsagaan na to. Mukha naman siyang B. That is an ugly B. B. Ay, parang pangit. Dapat mas mataba pa. Panoorin nyo lang ako ditong magpanik, mahirapan. Guys, nagawa na natin yung letter B. B. Ang pangit. Okay na to, sige. Parang malaki yung space so I can lagyan ko ng space per letter. Ang ganda. Niloloko nyo ko. Pero tama, okay na to. Oo. Okay, letter A. Next letter. Shucks. Mali. Okay lang. Kaya ko to. My God, the things we do for love. Ang pangit. Parang chararat yung letter A ko. Hindi ganito yon. Okay, kunyari, masyadong magkakalayo naman yung ginawa ko. Hindi na siya kakasya. Okay, guys. Pag kunyari, pag nagka-time pa ako bumili ng isa pang illustration board, huwag kayo mag-expect. Pag nagka-time lang ako, ano kaya magandang ilagay kung gagawin ko yung BGY ko? Hindi ko rin maisip kung ano ilalagay. Nanonood ako, si Andy, tsaka si Direk Ivan. Kami manonood together. Support namin ng mga frenemies. Okay, letter A. Once more. Ano ba? Ba't ba hindi ako makasulat ng letter A? Ang pangit. Diba, ipa-black pentel pen ko naman to. So, ano lang to. Markings. Pinawisan ako. Do you hate Isabel? No, I love her. Wow. Sino kasama kong manood? Ang kasama kong manood ng All-Star Games, si Andy Abaya and si Direk Ivan. Support talaga kami for Rans. And Drain. And so support din ni Direk si Aki. Siya magbibit-bit. Hi guys! Nagawa ko ng letter A. I'm so proud. Are you excited for PBB? Of course. Of course naman. Okay, letter N na tayo guys. In fairness, we're moving really fast. Wow. Damit mo, bakit? Anong problema sa damit ko? Walang kita. Nakabotones yan. Wala kayo makikita. Promise. Promises. Okay, letter N. Yay! Nakapag-letter N na rin ako. Guys, ang galing. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Wow. Si Jazz maglalaro din ng volleyball. Okay, this is getting uglier and uglier by the letter. Pero hindi, okay lang. Kasi ima-marker ko pa naman. Bananas. It's the thought that counts. That's true. That's true naman. That's true. Bananas. Okay, letter S na lang. Yay! Nasulat ko na yung bananas, yung pajamas. Okay. Ba't kasi ngayon ko pa naisipang magganito kung kailan dumidilim na ang langit? Saan ka? I'm just at home. Can we see? Okay, but it's ugly. Because, again, gagandahan ko pa siya. So, these are the bananas. Bananas. Can you see? B-A-N-A-N-A, yes. Wala lang. Okay na yun. Tigil na natin to. Trip lang naman to eh. Okay naman. Di ba? Not bad naman. I mean, could have been worse. Let's open the lights. Open? Binuksan? No, let's turn on the lights. Yun yung tama. Mali ang let's open. Hindi para buklatin ang ilaw. For the window. Okay. Ay, dahil may ilaw, mas nakikita ko yung pangit na ginawa ko. Ang galing. Okay. Let's do this. And then, tapusin ko na yung letterings, and then the minion, and then I will go in with my marker and do all of this. Bananas for number Sus naman. Ay, Baba. Letter F. Then we're gonna draw an O. Four. Then we're gonna draw an R. And then, ano ang kanyang jersey? Jersey number. Jersey number. Runs, 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 runs. Alexa, idol ka ni Mama. Thank you. Pakisabi naman sa imong Mama. Thank you. Miss. Ay, mali. #22. For #22. Should I make it tuloy-tuloy here and then big minion here or 4 number dito na lang sa baba? Hi! Kanina pa ba to? Slight lang, medj. So, paano mag-drawing ng hashtag? Show me how you hashtag. Like this? Ay, mali. Hindi ganyan mag-drawing ng hashtag. And then, this does not look like a hashtag to me. Tapos may butas. May butas dito. Okay, not bad. Not bad. And then 22. Good luck sa sasayaw sa Monday. Good luck. Please invite Jello or Aki. Guys, hindi ba kayo masaya kung ako lang ang nandito? Bakit kailangan may kasama lagi? Bakit laging naghahanap ng wala? Am I not enough? Wow. Yay! Okay, ang pangit ng numbering ko. Yung lettering ko, pwede. Yung numbering, chararat. Okay, guys. Nagawa ko na yung bananas for hashtag number 22. Not bad. Not bad, but not good. You know? Ay, shucks. Malulubat na yung phone ko. Ano? In fairness, bilis na. Diba? Bara-bara kasi. Okay, ngayon, magdodrawing tayo ng minion. Pupunta tayo ng Pinterest at hahanap tayo ng minion. Minion drawing. Minion drawing. Ay, hindi. Bakit drawing ng minion hinahanap ko? Minion lang. Oh, papoy. Ay, cute! Ang cute! cute! Okay, magdodrawing akong minion. Sobrang cute! Oh. Si Kevin. Okay, so ano ba itsura ng minion? So, saan ako mag-umpisa? Sa ulo, sa katawan? So, kunyari, eto ang ulo. May buhok na 4. Papangitan ko lang muna to. Dahil ipe-pentel pen ko nga. And then, meron kasing goggles sa mata. Mali. Dapat pala nilakihan ko pa yung circle. Maganda rin pag may kulay. Feeling ko din naman. So far, mukha namang minion, parang what you doing? I am making a sign for my friends to use when I cheer for them sa All-Star Games. I realize it is so hard to draw a circle. I should have used something to, Miss Camila, sasantihin mo na si Abby. Yes. Just you wait, guys. I'm going. Hey, not bad. This kind of looks like a minion, sort of. Hey, that's kind of vibey. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the damit. Yung jumper ng minion. Cute! Anong diet mo? You know guys, I've been trying the recent, yung viral na Korean eggs, yung tinatawag nilang Ozempic eggs. Although I've only been doing it for a couple of days pa lang. But in fairness, it's okay Kasi you're supposed to eat 2 hard-boiled eggs on an empty stomach, my first meal, 2 hard-boiled eggs with olive oil and pepper, salt and pepper. Okay naman siya. Okay naman siya. Siguro mauumay ka lang after a couple days kasi itlog na naman. Pero me, I love eggs. So, hindi ako magko-complain. Guys, malapit na matapos yung minion ko. I'm so proud. Okay. And then... Oh, this is so cute. And then I'm gonna put lots of bananas as the background for this illustration board. Ba't walang case phone mo? Meron po. May case siya, the transparent one. Hindi ko kayang hindi mag-case sa phone kasi lagi ko siya nababagsak. Okay, now ang pinaka nagihirapan ako sa kamay. Okay. Gosh. Ugh. Naka-glove ang minion. Whew! One arm down. So pretty. Thank you. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with my minion, guys. Wait lang. Hindi po ako kaliwete. Naka-ano lang, naka-flip lang. I'm a righty. Guys, I'm almost done with my minion. Please. It's so cute. It's coming together better and faster than I expected. Ay, I spoke too soon. Ang pangit ng kabila. Dapat mas manipis. Okay, paa na lang. Paa na lang ng minion. Papakita ko na sa inyo ang paa ng minion ko. Wait. Ang hirap din pala magpaa. Okay, so ang itsura ng minion, mataba ang dito. May shadow. May shadow. Okay. And then oh my god, you aren't gonna believe my minions. Minion number 1 is done. Minion number 1 is done. I repeat, minion number 1 is done. Does it look like a minion? Hey, it looks like a minion. Yee! Medyo parang duling lang yung minion ko, pero okay lang. It's cute, right? It's cute. Hey, minion number 1 isn't so bad. Minion number 1 looks kind of nice. I'm proud of minion number 1. You think kasha pa another minion here? I'll draw 2 minions and then a bunch of bananas all over. It's kind of cute, right? It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Because there's space pa here eh. So I want to put another one. I'm so happy. But my phone is gonna die. My phone is gonna die. Papoy. Yes. My phone's gonna die na. So at least you saw my minion. My 1 minion. Tatapusin ko na to. But I will end the live with it. So cute. Hindi kasi pwede mag-charge dito sa tripod na to eh. Like, I can't charge while using it. Yeah, I cannot. So, we have no choice. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna draw another minion. I need to look for a picture of another minion. Ay, minion ka. Kasha kaya? Okay, yun lang guys. I think I'm gonna try to go with this for the other minion. But I'm not sure yet. Minion. I'm looking for other kinds of minions. Mga naka-smile. Ganon. Or maybe something like this. I'm not sure. Pero sisave ko na yun lahat. How's the experience working with Catherine? Oh, I love it. I love it. Tsaka alam niyo ba, when I was doing Someone Someday kasabay ng Your Face. And then, umabot siya sa, yung isang taping, saktong birthday ko. So, hindi ko yun makakalimutan kasi kinantahan pa nila ako ng happy birthday, ganyan. May cake pa. Yun yung scene na sinusuntok ni Catherine si Ate Maha. So, ang bigat. Pero ang saya. It was so fun. Ilang araw lang ako dun eh, pero it was fun. So, ayun lang guys. I'm gonna go na din. I'm gonna continue my drawing. Mamatay na din tong phone ko. So, yun. I'm excited. Makikita nyo naman sa Sunday kung anong kalabasan nitong science na ginagawa ko. After this, I'm gonna make another one naman for Rain. For Rain. So, ayun. Bye! Bye, guys! Thank you for joining. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Ay, tumabingi na nga.